Morning, everyone. It's 8:43, and this is your pre-opening comment for today, May the 12th, and it's video number 1275. Okay, so we have Asia and Europe down, and we have PPI. PPI came in pretty much as expected, zero point 0.5 versus zero point 0.5 on the monthly. However, the year was still 11%. That is down from 11.2, but higher than the 10.7 that was expected. Um, Ex food and energy, 8.8%. Um, Not great numbers. The futures were down at 8 o'clock. They were down 250 for the Dow, 200 for the NASDAQ, and 41 for the S&P. Right before the announcement, we were down 214, so a little bit of an improvement in the Dow, 180 in the Nas, and down 36. However, after the numbers came out, we rallied back to down only 155. NASDAQ did not rally much, went from 180 to down 170, and the S&P was down 30. Right now, the Dow is showing down 162, so that's pretty much the way that it was. The 10-year is lower again, um, down another 5 or 6 basis points. This was almost 3.1 yesterday. Currently, we're well back into the twos here. Um, okay, so here's my question. Everybody talks about how the consumer is in such great shape. Personally, I don't get it. I don't get it at all. I see prices, everybody's talking about the airlines and vacations, and airline tickets are up 18%. Hotels are up dramatically. Somebody was talking yesterday about hotels in the Florida Keys during the summer. I don't know a lot of people who go to Florida during the summer when it's hot and muggy, and yet hotels in the Keys, $500 a night. I don't get it. They were talking about the shortage of workers down on Cape Cod for the summer. Guys are talking about hiring and paying $20 an hour, and that's for untrained help. The visas are not being issued in a timely manner, and so workers are in very short supply. The upshot is there was a guy last night talking about his uh, pub and talking about $20 hamburgers. I don't see how the consumer is going to be in such great shape with gas prices approaching $4.50 here for regular, diesel prices absurd, well over $5, actually closer to $6. Okay, claims. It's Thursday, so it's claims day. Initial claims up 1,000 at 203. Pretty meaningless. Continuing claims, however, continue to fall, 1.343 million, and that was down 44,000. Disney cracks 100 this morning, not by much, but it is down about $5.50 on the earnings. Um, we bought a little yesterday to start a position, and I will add to that up or down 10%. We're already halfway there. for 10% on the downside on the Disney. But the Disney Plus subscribers were up by a third. So as far as streaming goes, um, you know, came through pretty well. Uh, the theme park attendance and sales doubled. Unfortunately, I think, probably 30% of that is rising prices. Um, Beyond Meat continues to fall with its miss yesterday. Let's remember that this company has no distribution network, really has not caught on, um, and the stock is down from 221. Uh, Last night we were talking about it, and it was about 21, down 33%. This morning it traded as low as 1856 with a last of 1951, down 667 or 26%. Back to the consumer, Affirm. This is the buy now, pay later, seeing bigger defaults. Definitely, even the concept is a problem for people who don't have money who are spending it anyway. Um, and that was $176 stock this morning, trading $14.25. And MSTR, MicroStrategies. This is the one that is a software company where the CEO has literally been buying billions and billions and billions of dollars of Bitcoin. The chart on the screen is the Bitcoin, and as you can see, looks like we're going for the gap that it left on the upside here between 22 pardon me, 2465 and 26.8. We did gap down again overnight. Obviously, this Terra stablecoin and now even Tether has broken $1. Tether's in the high 99-cent area, so that's not as extreme as Terra trading down to 30 cents. Um, so a real problem. So as you can see, we've gone now from 69,000 to 25,000. So 70 to 25, pretty extreme, um, and looking ugly. Okay, let's go back to the rest of the futures. We have the grain slightly lower. Crop report today. We have crude slightly lower after an up $6 day yesterday, down $1.25. Nat gas is down another 20 cents. The gold is down 7.5. That's about what it was up yesterday. The silver is getting pummeled though. It is down 60 cents. So where we are now down today 2.8% in the silver and quickly approaching $20, where the gold is, as I said, down about $7, which is only 0.4%. So the silver really getting pounded. I'm assuming that's because the silver is also more of an industrial metal than it is an inflation hedge. Dollar index solidly higher, 104.32. I just do not have a clue what's going on there. And the bonds are up a little over a point. All right, everybody, it is tough out there. Please be careful. If we get a serious flush to the downside, I might be looking to get long here, but Dow futures are now down only 120 after, as I said, being down 250 at 8 o'clock. And the S&P still down $28. So that's a little improvement, but nothing overwhelming. And NASDAQ down with no improvement, down 172. All right, everyone, be careful.